Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the throw keyword. What is the usage of throw keyword? Throw keyword is used to throw an exception from the method or any block of code. We can throw either checked exceptions or unchecked exceptions. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw custom exceptions. Okay, I repeat it again. Throw keyword is used to throw an exception from the method or any block of code. We can throw either checked exceptions or unchecked exceptions. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw the custom exceptions. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created this package, and in this example I want to give the input at runtime. That's why we have used this scanner class. This is my class name, test exception 13. Inside this class, I have created the validate function. Okay, user defined function. So here I have given the static keyword. So we know already when the method is used with the static keyword, we can call this method without creating the object of this class. And here I have created the argument DEPT. Okay, and its data type is string. Inside this validate, I have implemented the try catch. I have implemented the exception handling to avoid the runtime errors. Okay, and inside the try block, I have used the decision making statement. Okay, if this is the name of the argument, isn't it? Here, this is the argument. And this is the inbuilt method of string. So this inbuilt method is present inside the string class. Okay. And this method is used to check whether the given string is equal to the string which is stored inside the DEPT argument. If it is equal, it returns true. Okay, so after evaluate this expression, we will get either true or false. If it returns true means the control comes inside the if block. Here we have used the throw keyword. So what is the usage of throw keyword? Throw keyword is used to throw an exception from the method or any block of code. Now only we have discussed, isn't it? Here throw keyword I have used and followed by new keyword. Okay, and this is the name of the exception handler. This is the inbuilt exception class. This is the parent class of all the exception classes. Okay, and here I have given the custom message. Whatever we want, we give. Okay, the given department has some wrong details I have given here. Okay, and if this ninth statement returns false means the control skip this statement and the control comes here. So this statement will be printed on our console. Okay. If any error will occur inside this try block means what will happen? The control jumps to the 19th statement, that is the catch block. This is the inbuilt exception class. Okay, so this exception handler is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Okay, and the variable value will be printed on our console, and this is the custom message. This is also will be printed on our console. Okay, here only the execution starts. Why? Because here we have the main method. Okay, and inside the main method I have created the object SC for the scanner class. Okay, and here we have the system.in. Through keyboard we will give the input. Okay, and inside the scanner class we have the inbuilt method next line. So this inbuilt method is used to read the line from the user at runtime. Okay, so this is inside this scanner class. Okay, that's why we have to use this SC here. Okay, SC dot next line. after we give the input, that input will be stored on our st. That is the name of the variable. Its data type is a string. Okay. And here we have the call statement. So our input will be carried by the control, and the control jumps from the 31st line to the 5th line. Here our input will be stored inside the DEPT argument. Okay. If our DEPT argument value is equal to this production, then the control comes inside the if block. Here we have the throw keyword. Okay. So what will happen? This throw keyword is used to throw explicitly the exception. Okay. So what will happen? The control jumps from the 12th line to the 19th line. Okay. So here this error message, that is, this is our custom message, isn't it? So that custom message will be printed on our console, and the error also will be printed. Okay, I hope you all understood about the flow of the execution of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. Enter department. So if I give production, means what will happen? This statement will be printed. Okay, now I press the enter key. So our custom message is printed. The given department has some wrong details, and this statement also is printed, and the rest of the code is also printed. Okay, again I execute the same. Now I give some other department design. Here after encounter this line we got false. So this statement is printed. Go ahead, and here rest of the code is also printed. Got it? So this throw keyword is used to throw explicitly an exception, okay, from the method or any block of code. Okay, so this throw keyword is mainly used to throw the custom message like this. Okay, so we can throw either checked exception or unchecked exceptions. Okay. In the last session, we have discussed about the throw keyword, that is the singular form. Now let's discuss about the throws keyword. This is the plural form. Okay. What is the usage of throws keyword? Throws is a keyword in Java language which is used in the signature of the method to indicate that this method might throw one of the listed type exceptions. Okay, the caller to these methods has to handle the exception using a try-catch block or a throws keyword. Okay, I repeat it again. Throws is a keyword which is used in the signature of the method to indicate that this method might throw one of the listed exceptions. Okay. The caller to these methods has to handle the exception using a try-catch block or throw keyword. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created this package. Inside this package, I have created the class. Class name is throws key. Okay, inside this class, I have created the user defined function. Function name is check. Okay, and here I have used the static keyword. We have already discussed about the static keyword with the method definition. Okay. If we use the static keyword, it means there is no need to use the object of this class to call this method. We can call this method using this class name directly. Okay, and here I have used the throws keyword. Okay, and here I have given the exception handler, null pointer exception and arithmetic exception. Okay, so throws keyword is used in the signature of the method to indicate that this method might throw one of the listed exceptions. Got it? If any error occurred inside this method means what will happen? This try-catch block is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside this check user-defined function. Isn't it? Okay, we know already execution starts only from the main method. Okay, inside this main method, I have implemented the try-catch. Here I have used the multi-catch block. Okay, inside this try block, I have written the call statement. Check is the call statement. After encounter this line, the control search where the function definition part for this call statement. Okay, so the control jumps from the 16th line to the 4th line because here only we have the method definition part for this call statement. Okay, and the control comes inside this check user defined function. Here I have created the name. This is the name of the variable and its data type is string. I have initialized the name as Ram. Okay, and I want to print the length of this string. So what is the length of this Ram? Only 3, isn't it? Length is the inbuilt method which is present inside the string class. So this length returns 3, isn't it? So there is no errors. No error means what will happen? The control again jumps back to the 17th line. Okay, and everything is good. Will be printed on our console. Okay, now let me execute this one. So length of the given string is 3 and everything is good is printed. Okay, there is no problem now. But here I just uncomment these 2 lines. Now what will happen? Here what is it? This is the expression 100 divided by 0 returns the error, isn't it? Divide by 0 error. Okay, so due to this error, what will happen? Here we have the arithmetic exception handler, isn't it? Okay, so the control jumps from the 7th line to here, arithmetic exception. Okay, so the inbuilt error message will be printed on our console. So let me execute again the same. Before I execute, I have to save and then I execute the same. So what is it? Java language arithmetic exception divide by 0. Isn't it? So how is it possible? Because of this throws keyword, it's possible. Okay. So here I have the list of exceptions. This error is handled by this exception handler. So the control jumps from the 4th line to the 24th line. That's why we got this error message. Okay. Now I comment these 2 lines and I uncomment this one and I comment this line. Okay, I have to save and I execute the same program. So what is it? Here I have initialized name as null. Okay, so here name dot length returns what? Error only. Why? Because here we have the null. Null means nothing, no value, isn't it? But I try to print the length of the null. Is it possible? No. So this statement raised the error. So what happened here? The control jumps from the 10th line to the 19th line. Here we have the exception handler, null pointer exception. And this is the variable. Inside this variable, the inbuilt error message is stored. Okay. That's why we got this output. Cannot invoke string.length because name is null. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, so for the first execution, there is no error. So we got only everything is good. And the length of the RAM is printed. For the second execution, we got the arithmetic exception because of this error. Divide by 0 error. For the third execution, here we got the null pointer exception because I tried to print the length of the null value. That's why I got this error. Okay. Now I hope you understood about the usage of throws keyword. So what is the usage of throws keyword? Throws keyword is used in the signature of the method to indicate that this method might throw one of the listed exceptions. Okay, the caller to this method has to handle the exception using a try catch or throw keyword. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.